Hey guys, this is a quick unboxing and a giveaway announcement of the Realme Buds 2. These were launched alongside the Realme 5 and the Realme 5 Pro, but now we have got them for review and we have tried them out for a few hours, not more than that. And in fact, I'll be frank, I actually like the quality based on the price that it comes with. 600 rupees is what the Realme Buds 2 are going to be sold for. Though the MRP says 800, it's 600 the final price. And the few things about this earbuds is 11.2 millimeter bass boost driver and the built-in magnets, which is quite a good thing because if you're someone who wears earphones with the phone and sometimes you want to remove them, it would be magnetic here and stay together, so you won't lose them or they won't fall off easily. This dual anti-twining cable, so it won't tangle that easily, and also there's a cable organizer, so it would keep all the cables together and you can twist them and keep them together with that cable organizer. And for the other specs, it is having the sensitivity of 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz and the speaker level of 108 decibels, and the power of it is 3 milliwatt. So these are the specs of the Realme Buds 2.0. You can check out the quick unboxing to see what all is given in the box package. So these are the Realme Buds 2.0 and this is the box package which mentions feel the real bass, and so they are concentrating on the bass levels that are offered. These were the specs that I had mentioned about. And apart from that, these are the other specs. You can see that the price is given as $799, and this is for the first time that we were opening the box. We might have already used them while you're watching this video, and this was an unboxing so that we could show you the fresh contents of the box. So this is the tangle-free cable is what they say. It has this cable organizer as well that would keep all the cables together, where you can have it and plug it here so that everything would stay together here. And so this cable organizer should actually come handy whenever you are having them in the pocket or in your bag. And these are the tips, and these are the magnetic ear tips. So this is how the magnets would work, and this is how they would stay together actually. So this actually, they look quite different, the yellow ones. I hope there are different colors. Yellow is a bit too flashy, though they don't look bad overall, but still it's a bit too flashy there. And apart from that, what you get here is a quick guide booklet to let you know what all is offered here and how you can use them. A couple of pair of ear tips for the different ear sizes. And the other thing about these earphones is this one, the button. This is the call receiving and the call ending button, and then you have the volume buttons as well, so up and down, volume up and down, and the microphone is on the other side of it. So you'll be anyway hearing about the audio quality and everything after this. So this was just a quick unboxing to show you what all is offered in the box package. And again, talking about the quality of it, it has a single button that is a single firing button for receiving and ending calls, and you can't do much more than that. There's a microphone given as well. And for the audio quality, I'll tell you, I have played a few songs, not more than that, because mostly I use this for playing games. So while playing PUBG Mobile, I wanted to try it out because most of you these days are asking for budget earphones to see which one actually does well in the gaming and which one has a good mic. So what I've got as a feedback is that the microphone on this one has worked quite well. The person on the other side could hear the voice quite well, and there was no distortion. Even while playing the game, the audio output that I got on this while playing the game, it was quite good. And the audio level is not huge, but it's not distortive at any point, so that's the good thing. It's bassy, it doesn't have huge bass levels. Obviously you can't expect that from the budget earphones, but whatever is offered seems to be quite decent for the price. So 600 is the price of this one, and this is the quick unboxing. The full review is not live already because we haven't tested it out with different audios, and it's mostly while gaming. So I could easily recommend this for mobile gaming, for someone who plays games on mobile such as PUBG mobile game. So I could recommend these for them, but for the other audios, if you are someone who's an audiophile, it always is about your personal preference, what kind of audio you like, whether you like headphones or earphones with the heavy bass output, or do you like the cancellation that they offer, the noise cancellation. So those things we'll be letting you know later. For now, this was just a quick unboxing and the giveaway announcement. So the giveaway is that we are giving away 2 units of the Realme Buds 2 whenever they go officially on sale in India. Right now, this is the unit that we are reviewing, so we'll be giving you 2 fresh units. And for that, what you need to do is subscribe to this channel, like this video, comment in this video about what you liked about these earphones, as well as follow us on Twitter. The links for that is given in the description below. So that's it here. I hope you like this video. If you do share and subscribe to Gizmo Times for more. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.